Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GDPR retention windows with Apache Iceberg tables, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. GDPR sets strict guidelines on data retention for organizations processing personal data. Next, familiarize yourself with Apache Iceberg. Iceberg is an open table format for large-scale analytic datasets. Ensure you have a properly configured Iceberg environment. Install the necessary dependencies, including Spark or Flink, that support Iceberg. Once your setup is ready, identify the data you need to verify retention for. Determine the timeframes relevant to GDPR compliance for personal data. Access your Iceberg table using your chosen query engine. Run a query to extract the creation timestamp of each record. This timestamp is crucial for determining the data's age. You can use SQL syntax to select records where the creation date exceeds your specified retention window. For example, filter records older than a configured date based on your retention policies. Review the query results carefully to ensure accuracy. If any records are found that exceed the retention period, identify their unique identifiers. Next, prepare to delete or archive these records as per your organization's compliance strategy. Use Iceberg's capabilities to efficiently delete the identified records. Confirm that the deletion has occurred by running a follow-up query. Check the table metadata to ensure the records are no longer present. Finally, document your process and findings to maintain a compliance record. Regularly review your retention policies and Iceberg configurations to ensure ongoing GDPR compliance. Stay updated on any changes to GDPR regulations that could impact your data retention practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.